Mama akwaba wafre me adwa search me mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ora odi Ahenkan a journalist. Odi ni djuma ewo despite media. Na ora odi Ahenkan na okase edensem na oka okire se afi we a yewo mi eye abato afi. Na enya dia obema eye any candidate bia wagina ama political party say want to so aba obema the kwan say ondi intro say other journalists funi bi na candidate bi e ka say mo muntimi embe ya no a ono de esan say odo oman Ghana nti oba be ya no na edensem na orodi Ahenkan eya no a nti no de ensem we atudwe na say na oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama e de ensem bi ebetu dwa say ye free education a ye koso e wo Ghana ha no eye NDC amayoku na empo ono oman dada John Dramani Mahama no na ode e bai eyo no nko a eye ne running mate madam Jenana Opoku Ajiman enso abeke bi o chese free education NDC fu no de e bai na ensem we betu odwa na Ghana fu be say na NDC for now your move Ghana for say. She said you can't think far, you can't think madness. Most free education muna mo de buy. Na enye NDC for na abra His Excellency na Adonko Kufuado then candidates all for free education no de rule. Mo be can say free education de nya de be possible. O my printer da Mahama ho be can say ukra. Sika twitwi de ante say ya enya de be free education no. Afia ba ne sen and a free education NDC for na de buy. Na ye ya ne say eye amanfo bia omo eye analysis efa election ho atiesi krom no omko bi se nsem no eba ne economy senia amanfo begina eye enyema so ato aba infrastructures economy na nyema boa ye den no eno no enhyeda enye high sa dia amanfo begina so ato aba pa eye free education na sa analysis ne ba out na NDC for say ene se free education ya kan ho asema yesa besife internet NDC for start no mo kasa na you see Ghana ha no bi eniwa by this time no oya bofra na say na dream ye ha if the person loves NDC no beto aba mo a fair enough if other NPP no beto aba mo a fair enough but a friend say ye de kwa dream a I think personally I think say o to aba jina puntu djuma so ene nyema one or two bi a Ghana ne bebien aso mfa so na wo de ato aba nti yesi aba to aba na se free education munti no Ghana fu bi so beto aba o ma penda da Mahama mutu be Johnson na mo de free education buy mo ensuro nyame ehu bi anka mo so mo de free education buy like seriously really hey and this folks mutu me ye bi o mutu me ye bi ankasa okoka no obedi watem okoka wose menka na mo asem amu ke ni ti na le kon we na no road Ahenkan na kire so ma penda da Mahama shut up na wo project a wo ye enya there His Excellency na Adonko Kufuado betimi e claim ya ma no so no ye nti no yen kan kware once in this country yenti reply a odi Ahenkan e de His Excellency o ma penda da John Dramani Mahama
senior secondary school
free senior high school
o man pani mama na de buy or your trofo enya no kure mama yen kan kure nkyere ya ho
it's free senior high school no His Excellency na Adonko Kufuado na de buy na e blocks no so
ya makwa na ye mpanifo enkanjama ma enya no kure nkyere na yen ga se wo amanyosem ti wo ye nsantwani kwano tum no enkwala etie enkyirima etie ome opani bi no obedia de Ghana ha onye bibi for example circle interchange enya Mahama na ye
won't mean ka
focus interchange enya na nado na ye e block enya Mahama na ye free education enya na nado na ye
kotoka
when ya chini ebe na ho
obi na kotoka renovation ni adi say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
terminal 3 nya omampenda da Mahama na ye tina nado betima be ka chia Ghana for say me na me ye terminal 3
and a free senior high school so obi e
na factually clear say na nado Danko Kufuado na ye free senior high school say for munya kudu am kan kore we ya de abagi wachini na we nim Ghana
we say na me de free senior high school buy we say na me di say we say ye nyina ye nim de oye we ni de oye we
teacher omanfo ne ye nim itie de obofo de adwuma ne say so obi na dwon so obechia na yentene no na for the sake of the nation
ameti de wo
ayo man no anya individuals so akoso ye nyina ebeko
I say affordable housing na wo askore mampo no beka say NDC for na de buy there be amagida da kofo wanwie
mo Awurade nya man penda da mahama na estati a sugar factory and we make us na
Debbie untiminka
won enwuma bi o wa ye nyi hu akire enwuma bi o ye modwa emeka ubodwa beka pe ebe ya no magana ni bi anyina de say ye beto abai ye betena ho amobia beka asembia
ade enya ona ye wo se me na ye wo de bepa ni monyam se na wo wadwene mu kura na wa anya na ya adwene
yes I wish
it was just an idea.
Yes.
An implementation will be the implementing. So long as you want to implement it, you implement it, and then a yenedia. It's in Ukraine about Cope and not
young fan of Cranchitry. Bio Becca said senior secondary school,
free senior
high school, or man penny mamma at the buy or your trophy. And you know, Mama yen can crunch on.
It's a free senior high school, no?
How?
His Excellency and another Danko Kufana de Dubai.
And
blocks, no, so.
Yama Kwana and Penny for and Kanjaman and crunch. Nay, and that's why I'm on your 70. We and St. Johnny Quanitum. No, and quality and timidity. Or me or penny being who be there, gonna have on your BB. For example, cycle interchange, and Yamahamana.
I won't think
focus interchange, and another E-block, and Yamahamana. Free education, and another
Kotoka.
Well, actually,
Obinaka Kotoka renovation near the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Terminal 3, yeah, or Mampanda Mahamana. Tinana do bet Mother Catcher Ghana for say, Mamma, terminal 3. And a free senior high schools will be an factually clear saying another Danko Kufadna, yeah, free senior high school. And St. John for Mina Kudram. We are dear begging when Chinina, when I made the free senior high school buyer, where's not me say, where's he say, where's I named your year, when did your year? Teacher, a month for the end. It's the end of for the human say, so be an agent or Betiana, Yantinano. Now, for the sake of the nation, I met you. I know, and your individuals who go, I could say, never call. I saw affordable housing now as for a man, no, because a NDC one at the buy, there be a Kufu when we more. Awurade nya man penda da mahama na estati a sugar factory and we make us na
Debbie untiminka
won enwuma bi o wa ye nyi hu akire enwuma bi o ye modwa emeka ubodwa beka pe ebe ya no magana ni bi anyina de say ye beto abai ye betena ho amobia beka asembia
ade enya ona ye wo se me na ye wo de bepa ni monyam se na wo wadwene mu kura na wa anya na ya adwene
yes I wish
it was just an idea.
Yes.
An implementation will be the implementing. So long as you want to implement it, you implement it, and then a yenedia. It's in Ukraine about Cope and not
young fan of Cranchitry. Bio Becca said senior secondary school,
free senior
high school, or man penny mamma at the buy or your trophy. And you know.
Win election, yes, one touch. So Ashanti region is very important, and why the combination between Obiang say Beba Ashanti region? This MBB is a highly conservative party. Yes, they have lived up to this. The party has never gone to the north to pick a candidate. Yes. Why would the party at this material moment say the candidate must come from the north?
And that is so clear.
It is so clear, yes. Because the candidate himself has earned it.
Yes.
While working so hard, they say a party for say no. After all, MPP, people from northern extraction might contested presidential primaries.
Oh yes.
Malik Alasan, the former vice president Aliu Mahama, now contested that, and yet they were not able to make it because. FBI party who said they were not the right people to lead the party. See, Oman who said somebody from the north are so competent, why so what deliver as vice president, yet you know call as president. So it is not surprising to say such a person will pick somebody from Ashanti region formation and MPP will say and through NLM. Yes, NLM and Northern People's Party, yes. Not from the North. NPP, no. And original MPP, Northern People's Party are Dr. Baumia Papa, no account, and on the form your together to form the United Party. United Party now and LED metamorphosed into MPP, new MPP now. On the combination, a perfect combination. You are getting people from the so-called minority group to join with the majority group, and that combination now I complete. So that is how it's going to happen. People are expecting, say, Ghanaians are expecting, say, there will be some changes within the minority groups. Look, this is the first time you say MPP are far running meta Kita market. Peter the Ayana me no know about the but I've say even the optics.
Yeah.
This is a region now. All those we share MPP t-shirt masa yetimisto no from 1992. But things are changing. Those Napoleon no the whole of Volta region. Na Charlie celebration e course work it market no is weni. It is something good coming to MPP. And Napobia nim said the oya nejuma. Combination will be our hard work to combine with another workaholic. Will be any DMB.
Yeah.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumi. I said the oya nejuma. On that. Oya juma day and night. And so that the Dr. Bonfeka no data dear. Doctor the data ejuma.
Yeah.
It was not surprising say data na no share how they choose Napo. I've heard people say Napo or negatives be say or no so checky. People have said about it. They no say arrogant. As for arrogance is relative. Me say I'm eating a many more kasa nyepo. Mo journal me colleagues are mo be no say me crowd to me arrogant. And yes, Ebika Peter sometimes okay. But me could do baby I will say how do there are places okay say how do this how do kasa crowd. In fact people don't know they are even talk.
As well as I'm not making baby. You are playing Gabi as I would say that.
Yeah.
And Conforsu was our perception about him. But me go na sabediako. Gabi one of the few people in MPP.
Yes.
I can fight for him in public without his presence.
Yes, sir.
And because I've known Gabi for years, never on one occasion, and a Gabi I show arrogance portrait. I'm sure because this year and then baby Gabi position our war, the stature in public.
Yes.
Na Gabi in office. No what kind of night or the night after the table so.
Yes.
Me come mention na yes form.
Yes.
And I'm saying this all tell me
yes.
Say me connect Gabi on one table so on one office so. The night that's what ade o tap penny years so na make. The night that's
on no pepper.
Me come me ko dig me come night that's what. Me mention na yes.
Now so name baby.
Yes. As for I also aristocrat. As for obi oye arrogant there. To the beer somebody is very assertive.
Yes.
It's
a thin margin between that margin between assertiveness and arrogance. But you see, so yeah, even assertiveness say obi oha or assertive because ebi a odi nema odi banenim no frivolities are ni nema on jiji so.
Yes.
So you brush you aside with those things. Almost any pano but